In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to change the cover photo of Instagram Reels after posting. This is gonna be a real short and easy video, so let's jump right into it. Firstly, head over to the reel that you want to change the cover photo of and open up the reel. Now from the reel, you simply tap on the three dots on the top right of the reel, and then a few settings will open up. You can tap on edit, and again on the edit info page you'll see an option of edit right here. You can tap on it. Now you'll have two choices to change the cover. Either you can select a cover directly from the video, or you can also tap on add from device and then choose a custom cover. After you do either of these steps, you can tap on done on the top right and tap on tick on the top right again. And as easy as that, you have now successfully changed your cover photo on your Instagram reel. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If you want more of these informative videos, then make sure to turn on the notifications. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more.